Good morning, guys. Happy Diwali to all of you. It is 6 a.m. in the morning, and the only reason why I'm up right now is because Didi, me, and Mama were starting our day by going to the Gurdwara. And I'm up right now because I'm gonna get ready, and then we're gonna go to the Gurdwara for like start our Diwali. So a very very happy Diwali to all of you guys. And I do owe you an explanation for not completing Diwalogs, but that'll come later. I just want to vlog Diwali because I want to show you how we celebrate it. Now we don't have like cards parties, we don't like party really for Diwali or do a lot of things. We're just starting our day with going to the Gurdwara. So my sister might make some burgers, and then we have a little puja thing in the evening, and that's literally it. We don't even like burst any crackers or like go out, throw parties, or go to parties as such. So I really just want to vlog a Diwali because I haven't really ever, in my 2 years of YouTube, ever vlogged a real festival. So yeah, a very very happy Diwali to you guys. I hope you guys have the best day ever. If you guys go to card parties, I hope you guys win everything you want to. And yeah, just generally, I hope you guys have a great day. Happy Diwali to you and your family. And yeah, let's get started with today's vlog. Hi guys, so we're all back from the Gurdwara. I'm having an allergic reaction for some reason. I'm sneezing and my eyes are red and there's some irritation on the palate or whatever. Anyway, so we are back and it was really nice. I love going to Gurdwaras because I don't know, I feel really nice and I mean, it's just great to go sit there for like a nice half an hour or whatever. So now we're all gonna have breakfast. So for breakfast, we have a ritual of having halwa, kale chane, puri and aloo sabzi. So mama is making that with Sudhir Bhaiya, and after all of that is made, the Didi, me, papa, mama and Dadi Dadu, all of us will sit and have a breakfast. So yeah, right now we don't really have a plan. We don't do much in Diwali. But after I'm done with my breakfast, I might do a little pamper routine for myself, for my skin. I'll do a little face mask and like a whole CTM process, but with home ingredients. So I'm gonna I have a whole link. I'll put down below as well the link that I'm gonna use to do a little pamper festive spa session at home. So I hope you guys enjoy that because I know you guys really enjoy home remedies and DIY things. Look at Mao. Yeah, so that is a plan for now, and we're not really going out as such. I might make something at home, like some dessert or something, but I'm not even sure about that. We might just end up like sitting back home and like watching a movie or something.
देखिए इनको जो रोज जिम खाती हैं पर हलवा खाती हैं।
Hello, so I had my breakfast, and after that, I think I just went to sleep. And it's 4 o'clock right now, 4:30. And I just woke up. I'm in my night suit. But yeah, so I just woke up because everyone was doing something, or I don't know. I just woke up out of nowhere, and now my sister and I we plan to go to Mill House. If you've watched some of my vlogs, I actually went to Mill House and I vlogged everything about it. So we're going to Mill House because now that I'm in Ahmedabad, I do miss a few places that I used to eat at. So we do our Diwali puja around 5 or 6. So we plan to go to Mill House before the Diwali puja, and because after the puja and stuff, bahar patake food hote hain, and like people are out and it'll be a lot of rush. So we plan to go right now and then plan to come before the puja starts. So it's a win-win for all of us. Also, we just ate the puris since the morning and I haven't had anything. I just went to sleep. So that's the plan right now. I'm going to get dressed again and we're going to go to Mill House, have our food. We have some things that we always eat when we go there. So we're going to do that, come back to the puja and maybe just sit again or do something. I'm not very sure. But for now, let's go to Mill House.
Om Bhurbhuvah Svah Tatsavituvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. मेरा बच्चा ओए 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 ओ लग गया ठीक है
हाय बोलो।
हाय
आपने मुझे तो सारे पैसे दिए।
ये सनद रहे कि मैंने तुझे पैसे दिए।
क्या रहे?
सनद।
सनद मतलब?
सर्टिफाइड।
ओके थैंक्स। Hi, so we got done with our dinner and the dinner was amazing. I vlogged it, and if you guys go to Mill House too, make sure to have the paneer burger. We had that and we came back, and as soon as we came back, it was Aarti time. So all of us sat, we did our puja Aarti. That is the only puja we do on Diwali, the Lakshmi puja. And I got some cash, so my dadi gave me some money, and now I'm gonna go buy myself a Huda Beauty foundation because I've really wanted that since a very long time. Today when we went to Alpha One, I wanted to go to the Nykaa Lux store and get it for myself, but there was a huge line, so I thought I'll just order it online. And now I got some money, so I'm gonna spend all of this on nice makeup and maybe shoes, because I need more shoes for college. But yeah, that is it for now. My phone is almost at 1% of battery, so I'm gonna go charge this, and while that's being done, we'll go have something to eat, and all of us will sit down, spend some nice family time together, because it's 7th now and I have to leave Ahmedabad on the 11th, and I'm not ready for that. I love being here with my family, so yeah, I mean, we'll go spend some time while my phone is charging. And yeah, I also got the OnePlus 6T for Diwali. My dad ordered one for me and one for my mama, so I finally got a new phone. So let me know in the comments below whether you guys saw any video difference and quality difference in today's vlog, because it was literally all the OnePlus 6T. Hi guys, so I'm gonna end today's vlog here. I might vlog tomorrow, I might not, but my tripod is coming tomorrow. I've ordered for a gorilla pod, so that it makes it easy for me to vlog. And also I've seen whenever I have a tripod or a monopod or whatever, I just feel like vlogging more. I don't know, it's some mindset, something in my head. So I've ordered for my gorilla pod, which will come tomorrow. It had to come actually day after tomorrow, the next day of when I ordered it, but I think because of Diwali, they kind of messed it up. So yeah, right now I'm just gonna sit and watch some Netflix. If you guys have any TV show or movie recommendations, put them down below and I shall totally watch them, because I'm really running out of movies and shows to watch. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. If you did, you know what to. Please go ahead and give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also make sure that you've hit the notification bell button to get notified every time I post a new video. Also, don't forget to comment down below anything that you want to comment. I love engaging with you guys. And here's a reminder, there's a little giveaway running on my channel, so make sure to check that out and follow the rules. And you can also follow me on Instagram and Snapchat, and I shall see you guys in the next video.
Creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating.